Hi, I am Ijaz. Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Design 99. On here, I'll take you through my graphic design career, giving you an in-depth and personal perspective of working within graphic design. I'm a professional graphic designer specializing in Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, and XD. Follow my channel to get latest videos on graphics. Let's start this tutorial. Artboard, height 800 and width 450 pixel. Create rectangle, same as artboard size. Align. If you don't have, then go to Window. Align. Select eyedropper tool and pick up color code 1. Create rectangle. Pick up color code 2. Direct selection tool. Type tool and write any text as you wish. Text font Bell MT bold. Fill off. Appearance. If you don't have, then go to Window. Appearance. Add new fill. Add stroke 2 point. Stroke add effect. Path. Offset path. Offset 0.709 pixel. Add transform effect. Horizontal and vertical same. Subtract 2.4694 pixel. Fill pickup color code 4. Offset path, subtract 1.058. Transform effect, horizontal and vertical, same 1.0583 pixel. Gaussian blur, 1.884 pixels. Copy fill 1. Fill 2 pickup color code 5. Fill 2 delete all effects. Fill 2 copy. Fill 3 pickup color code 6. Offset path 1.058 pixels. Fill 3 copy. Fill 4 pickup gradient color code 7 and 8. Fill 4 offset 1.058 pixel. Transform effect, horizontal and vertical 0.2649 pixels. Copies 40. Fill 4 copy. Fill 5 pickup color code 9. Offset path and transform same. One more transform effect add. Transform horizontal and vertical 1.7639 pixels. Add Gaussian blur 9.49 pixels. Opacity 53%. Fill 5 copy. Fill 6 change transform effect, horizontal and vertical, 5.734 pixels. Opacity, 57%. Soft light. Fill 6 copy. Fill 7 opacity, 25%. Fill 7 transform effect, horizontal and vertical, 14.1111 pixels. Transform and offset path same. Select any text effect as you need.